In this quick tutorial, we are going to do a color match. First, you will need open the image that you want to change the color, and then you will also need open your color palette that you've created. This was from that Adobe Color Creator website. I created this and took a screenshot of it. It's really easy and quick. All you need to do is go up to the top where it says Image, and I'm sorry it doesn't show it for you, but you would go Image Adjustments, and you would just choose Match Color, and then you would choose your source. So as you can see, my picture is showing here, there's a small thumbnail. I would choose, and there's the bell. And then I would choose that screenshot image, which is there. And as you can see, it's applied the color. You can, of course, change the luminance if you like. You could change the color intensity, which we know is the brightness or dullness of that. So here that would. And then, of course, you can kind of fade it out a little bit. As you can see, it's just very, it's just very faded. You can see more of the red in some of these lighter areas. If you neutralize it, that'll just bring it back. It takes the color cast away that you originally had. So go ahead and try this, see what works for you, and remember you need to upload your original image and then what you color matched to along with your little color swatch. All right.